Nepoworx, in partnership with the Industrial Development Corporation, bring you the Township Energy Fund. Through this initiative, we wanted to see sustainable businesses in townships as they help build communities that are self-sufficient by addressing the unemployment crisis and alleviating poverty. This initiative empowered 43 small businesses with solar energy solutions, assisting them with reducing overheads and thus increasing their chances of being sustainable in the long run.